Hi beauties, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to another video. Oh! So for today's video, this is gonna be a makeup shield day. I'm gonna be applying some new makeups to me. Not new makeup that they just came out, but I want to try them out. We have everything on this corner right here. As you guys can see, I have not done nothing to my face. I didn't even moisturize my face. I didn't do my eyebrows. I just washed my face and that's it, because it's gonna be a full face. When I say a full face, I mean the whole face. Make sure you guys subscribe to my channel to be part of the squad and turn on that notification bell that goes so you guys can be noticed when I will be posting a new video. So let's begin. So I'm gonna first start by moisturizing my face. I'm gonna moisturize it with this e.l.f. Daily Hydrating Moisturizer. This one has purified water, jojoba, and vitamin E, and it comes with a pump. You guys know that I love when a product comes with a pump. I'm gonna apply just a little bit on my finger so I can warm it up. Oh my god, this smells really good. It has some real nice smell. I have to put my hair to the back. Let me put it to the back because it's everywhere. This moisturizer, it smells real good. I wish I could explain the smell, and it feels really tacky. Can you guys see how glowy my face looks? It looks really glowy and moisturized. The smell is just I love the smell of this product. Love it. So I'm gonna let it sit there for a couple of minutes for it to let it dry. I'm gonna move on with my eyebrows. For my eyebrows, I purchased this new eyebrow pencil. I got the NYX micro brow pencil and I got it in the shade black, and it comes with a pencil and as well with the spoolie. It actually reminds me of that Morphe micro brow pencil that I purchased, that I used on my last video. If you have not checked it out, I don't know what you're waiting for. Go check it out, girl. The link is gonna be in the description box below. I always do my eyebrows out of the camera because I take so long to do my eyebrows. I already did an updated eyebrow routine video. If you have not checked it out, that link is gonna be in the description box below as well, if you want to know how I do my eyebrows. If you want me to do an updated 2021 eyebrow routine video, let me know in the comment box below. I'm gonna fast forward this part. So far, I really like this pencil. It's black. It goes with my hair because my hair is black. I like when my eyebrows is dark as well. It looks really nice. Now I'm gonna move on with my eyes. I'm gonna be applying concealer. For today's concealer, I'm gonna use this new concealer. This is the Becca Ultimate Coverage. It's not new, but it's new to me. In the shade Honey. Oh. This is really dry. It feels really thick and dry. Is that how this is supposed to be feeling, you guys? I'm gonna use a sponge that I bought from Amazon. I don't remember the name of the brush. I'm gonna be putting the link in the description box below. But I'm gonna be using this color today. It comes with a variety of color. This is supposed to be like the dupe for the beauty blender. My eye feels really sticky right now, so let me wet this. This is how it looks when it's small, and this is how it looks when it's wet. I'm not a fan of the concealer. It feels really sticky when you apply it. I don't know if that's how it's supposed to feel, sticky. If you have this concealer, let me know if that's how it's supposed to feel. So for today's palette, I'm taking the Cara Beauty palette from the Vacation Mood. That is the name of the palette. And this is how it looks like. It has some really beautiful summery fall colors. I'm gonna use the warm colors because we are entering fall. So I'm gonna take this shade as a transition color. So that is what I'm gonna go with this color. Does it cringe fall or summer? So I'm gonna go with mascara. Today's mascara, I'm gonna be trying out another e.l.f. mascara. This time it's called the Lash It Loud Volumizing Mascara in black. So this is how the packaging looks like, and this is the brush. I really don't like the brush on this one because this type of brush bothers my eye real bad. But just for today's video, I'm gonna be using it. I don't like this mascara. I'm not impressed with this mascara. Damn, these lashes are so chiquito. I heard that if you get mascara on your skin, just to let it dry and then remove it with a Q-tip. When I have mascara, I always remove it right away when it's wet and it goes everywhere. So I'm gonna apply my lashes while this mascara is drying out. For today's lashes, I'm taking these Color 3D False Mink lashes in the shade Pouch. And these are like my type of lashes. Not so dramatic, wispy. I purchased these at Marshall for $7.99. They feel real nice. So I'm gonna be applying those lashes off camera, because if you want to know how I apply my lashes, I'm gonna be putting the link in the description box below. You go check it out if you guys are interested on how I'm doing my lashes. I will be right back. They look real natural, real natural. So far, I like them. Like, I am impressed. They look dramatic, but they're not dramatic. I'm gonna try to test out this product. I should apply it before doing my lashes, but it's too late now. So I'm gonna apply it on top of my lashes. I purchased this from Amazon. This is the Eye Method Wing Eyeliner Stamp, and this is supposed to be, it's supposed to make it easy to do your wing line. When I do my wing line, I do it real bad. It just come out curvy. So I decided to purchase this and see if I get it right. It comes with two liners. It's not that you use one and you have the other one as a backup. They came with two because one is for the right side and the other one is for the left side. I'm gonna apply it on top of these lashes. So I'm gonna start with the right side first, and it comes with the stamp and with the marker. So hopefully I don't mess it up and it comes out correct. Something is something. So I'm gonna take the marker side now. So it works, you guys. It did work. I'm gonna use it again some other day without the lashes before applying my lashes. But so far it came out good. Now let's see on the left side. This is supposed to be waterproof, smudge proof, and long lasting. This is great for a beginner. If you are a beginner on doing your wing line and when you do it without it and it comes out horrible, like mine comes out really horrible. This is a really nice product to spend your money on. It's really affordable and it's worth that money. I don't know how much it cost me. I'm gonna be putting the link in the description box below. Next time I had to do it without the lashes, because with the lashes it's so difficult to see how you're doing your wing line. But so far I like it, and I think I'm gonna buy me a backup, 2 more of these as a backup. So I am done with my eyes. Now it's time to move on with the face. I'm first gonna moisturize my face. I'm gonna be using the Marshmallow Primer. I got this at Target. It was a Target. Was it? It smells like marshmallow. It smells like candy. And it makes my face look more dewy and so hydrating. Does that supposed to make your face look like that? I can use it alone or with foundation, and it feels really tacky, and that is a good sign. I love when my primer feels tacky, because that lets me know that the foundation is gonna stay there and the makeup is not gonna move anywhere. With the help of these lashes, I'm gonna let it dry. Very nice. So now it's time to move on with the foundation. And for today's foundation, I'm gonna use this Walmart Beauty from Sharon C foundation. And this one, I got it from Walmart. I got it in the yellow bottle because it comes with yellow, aqua color, and a pink. The yellow one is for neutral, the pink is for warm, and the blue is for cool. I got it in the shade Bronze Venice T1. And I like the packaging. It really looks high-end, and it's a frosty glass container. concealer, and I as well like it because you guys already know it comes with a pump, and you guys know what that means. You can control the amount of product that you want. It doesn't get messy and you don't waste a lot of product. I'm gonna apply it on the back of my hand first, and it's watery, and I got neutral because my skin tone is neutral and warm. Like my skin is neutral but with warm undertone as well, but it's more neutral than warm. I hope I'm making sense. And I'm gonna blend it with the brush that I blend the concealer, but I'm gonna take the booty side. Okay, I got my shade. It has a smell, but it's not a buttery smell. It's like a flowery smell. I got my perfect shade. I just saw the bottle and I was like, yeah, it's gonna match me, and it really is. This is a full coverage foundation. I cannot see my redness, my dark circle, and this is just one layer. And look at the coverage. It's a full coverage without building it up. You just need one layer and it will give you a full coverage. But I think if you wanna build it up, you can. You know what? Let's build it up. Let's do this. And it feels really hydrating. It doesn't feel matte. It doesn't feel so dewy. Just right there in the middle. And there you have it. You can build it up. My face looks luminous. I love it. And especially because I have dry skin. And I forgot to tell you guys, if you are new, the type of skin what was that? If you are new, the type of skin that I have is dry skin. And if you are a OG, you already know I had dry skin. Since I already know how this concealer feels and I don't like the stickiness of this concealer, I'm gonna take this concealer that I got as a gift when I purchased something from ColourPop, the Kylie Jenner concealer. And this one is the Kylie Jenner Skin Concealer in the shade Buttermilk. And I heard that she's pregnant. Congratulations. And I'm gonna blend it with the same sponge as well. I really like this sponge. To set this concealer, I'm gonna be using the e.l.f. Halo Glow Setting Powder in the shade Medium. They could have put the name like on the back, but they just put it on the side. I'm just gonna use the same sponge. Now that I set this concealer, I'm gonna contour my face. I'm gonna use the Makeup Shack Contour Palette. I was gonna say the name of the palette, but I cannot say that. Say a whole two. I'm gonna take the Makeup Shack Contour Palette. This is how it looks like. Oh my god, it got some nice color. It has the name of the contours on the bottom. This is what I'm talking about. This is what I'm talking about. Put the names on the bottom of the product. So I'm gonna take this brush from Sigma. This is a Sigma in Face Contour F57. And I'm gonna take this color on the corner that is called Golden. I'm gonna contour my nose, and I'm gonna use a different brush. This is from the Shop Miss A. This is a really nice brush to contour your nose because it's really flat. I'm gonna take the shade Sun Kissed. Now it's time to move on with the blush. I'm gonna take this Wet n Wild blush. I know this is not new, but I barely got it. This is from Mellow Wine, and it looks like this. And then I'm gonna take the highlighter, and for today's highlighter I'm gonna go with the Airspun Loose Face Highlighter. I'm finally gonna be trying out this highlighter, and I never did. Don't ask me why, cause I don't know why. And this one, it is in the shade Glow for Gold. So I'm gonna go with this brush from Shop Miss A brush as well. This is a really nice highlighter brush. Then I'm gonna take it as well on my inner corner. It's so pigmented that a little bit Just a little bit goes a long way. Now it's time for the liquid lipstick using the L'Oreal Paris Infallible Pro Matte Liquid Lipstick in the shade Nudist 354. To set this makeup, I'm gonna set it up with this setting powder from Too Faced that I have not used ever since I got it, and it was like months and months ago, and I have not used it till now. This is the Too Faced Hangover 3-in-1 Replacing Primer and Setting Spray that you can use as a primer or a setting spray. And it smells real good. Do we have some hits and some misses on this makeup? Do we? Yes, we do. Yes, we do. We have one miss that is a total miss that I really don't like. That is a concealer, the Becca Ultimate Concealer. This concealer is really dry. Not dry, it's really sticky. You can feel the stickiness that I don't like that. I don't know because it's supposed to be like that. If you have this concealer, let me know if this is supposed to be sticky like that, because it is sticky. And another miss that I would not repurchase and I will not buy it again is this mascara from Elle. I didn't see no difference on my lashes. My lashes look just normal. I apply it underneath my lashes as well, and I cannot see a difference on my lashes. I really can't. It just makes my lashes small. It just let it shrink more. Let me tell you guys what I like and what I would purchase. I would definitely repurchase this wing eyeliner stand because I just love how it's easy to use. My wing lines have never seen like this. Never. They look real nice and I'm really impressed with this. For the foundation, let me not go there with the foundation. It's just good news. I love the foundation. This foundation gives you that full coverage. It's pretty good. The sponge, I know that it's dirty, but I love the sponge. I'm gonna buy me more. Thank you so much, my beauty, for staying this long. Make sure you guys give this video a thumbs up if you guys enjoy it and find it helpful, as well as subscribe to my channel so you guys can be part of the squad. Hey, the squad, and turn on that notification bell, the bell that goes ping, so you guys can be noticed when I will be posting a new video. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.
Baby, it's all yours if you want me. All yours if you want me.